Hey guys, welcome to the lab. We're back with some more exclusive content. Emergency episode here. I've summoned my good friend Nick Burk. I've surprised her with a box. She has no clue what's in it, but the contents of that box, the hat will be available tonight. So whenever you're seeing this, just know that the hat will be dropping tonight. So without further ado, let's do an unboxing.
All right. So the shipping label did give away what it gave away what it is, but I don't know colors. I don't know anything. Yeah, it says, I don't know if you can see.
What's it say? You want to give your address out like that?
No.
it was all blurry. It was all blurry, right?
But it does say Beavers. Which makes sense with what you're wearing right now.
Yes. I wanted this to be ready for us to defend the gold. And unfortunately, we did not defend the gold in soccer. So
yeah, that was a bit of a
that was a pain, right?
Heartbreaker. That was a really tough couple of matches.
Yeah.
But
we needed the captain. We needed the captain. What can I say?
Yep. So this is what we've got here.
Yeah. So we went all black. Pretty much the same color blocking as the OG, but I thought we should just bring this back in an all black version, a little wearable,
red
button. We're kind of had that scandal, so maybe this will just be the scandal hat. We had the scandal that we had overcome. The ladies did win the 3 round robin games and made it to the quarterfinals, but unfortunately could not get it done against those Germans. But
yep,
you know, it's a nice little hat.
Yeah, I like it. Looks really great. I like the touch of the little red on
touch
the
of red.
Yeah. Side patch looks really good. Yeah. The 2.0.
The 2.0. Get it tonight. Pro Image Sports Colorado. Search Leon. You'll find it. If you guys want to see the original video of Nick and I mocking this up, I'll put a link right there. For you. 2:45. All right. Yeah. And you can see us make the original. But now part 1's got its part 2. So
yeah.
So if you missed the original, the original was a black hat. This one's wearing a red hat. Okay.
Yeah.
If you missed the original, there's a part 2, and if you have part 1, it's a great one to have with part 2. So Portland Beavers, in honor of the captain, Christine St. Clair. Hope she's enjoying her retirement, but definitely needed her in Paris this year. But it is what it is. You know. Yeah, hope you like it. Until next time, Nick Burk and then we out of here.
Peace.
Brought to you by VFTV.